So this is a quick tutorial on how to replace the lamp on a Viewsonic model PX747. I didn't find anything on this on YouTube, so I decided to make one. If you search the manual, it tells you to seek technical service to do this, but if you're anything like me, I like to do my own work. So this is how you do it. This is the tools you'll need. You'll need one of these like plastic trim tools, straight slot screwdriver, Phillips, and then step number one is there'll be two little Phillips screws. You want to take those out. They're spring loaded, they stay in. There's one there, and there's a couple here and a couple on the other side. And then you carefully take your trim tool and you just kind of want to work it around all the way around, and then once you get that done, top pops off and you got your inside. Now right here there's a thin plastic film that's like just kind of taped in here. You can just easily pull that up, and then here's your pipe assembly. So you take a straight slot screwdriver and you pry up on this little handle here to get that to release. And then you want to unplug it. And then this little screw holds it in. That's it. And that screw stays in place too. And then you just grab the little handle, lift straight up, comes out. While you're in here, it's probably a good idea to get a can of spray air and clean out the fan and stuff, and then just reverse the process to put the new one in. Thanks for watching. You don't have to subscribe or anything like that. See you later. Bye.